How to insert signature in PDF full guide. In this video, we're going to be talking about PDFs and how you're going to be inserting signatures into it that you want to do on a custom. So basically, what you can do is you can either use softwares like Adobe Acrobat or any other signature adding software, or what you can do is you can use online based softwares that are open source, like any PDF editor or even Canva that you can find on Google search space when you search it up. So let's say I'm going to go with PDF Simply, which is a pretty good editor. So I'm going to go ahead, upload a PDF for myself. And once we have uploaded this PDF, like let's say this one, right? Now, once we upload this PDF, what's going to happen is it's going to give us a whole editorial opened up. It's going to give us a whole scheme of different, adding things and elements that we can pretty easily add into our PDF design. So once we have done this, you're going to click on Let's Get Started. Now, here you can see we have our PDF. Now, right about here, let's say we want to enter our signature, right? So up here, you can see all of these different elements. We're going to click on the signature element. We're going to click on continue. And once we do that, they either say send document to sign, where you can create an envelope, or sign your own document. So I'm going to click on sign document. And once you click on sign document, it should load you into the signature section. So you're going to create your very own signature according to yourself, where you can either draw with your mouse, upload an image, or even use the touch screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on draw with mouse. So let's say this is my signature, right? And you can draw initials as well. Now, once you've done that, you're going to click on create. And once we click on create, you're simply going to go ahead and add in your first and last name, and also add in your email address. So once you've done that, simply click on continue. And once we click on continue, you're simply going to go ahead and sign your basic, signature into your design. So it will always depend on how you choose to add it. Obviously, make sure that the fields or signatures you add are going to be right here. So you're going to basically choose the field that you want to add and simply click, and there we go. So once we have our signature over here, you can increase its size. I'm going to keep it right here and click on finish. And that is basically how you're going to be inserting a signature into any PDF in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.